Hey guys, welcome back to Little C's Garage. In this video is going to be a quick little unboxing video of some cheap tools I just purchased. Um, these are a couple tools I've needed in the shop that I won't use very often, but it really sucks when you don't have them and you need them, so I'd rather have them and not need them. But I also didn't want to spend a ton of money, so I did some shopping around. For what I could find, I bought these at Menards. They're a Performamax brand. They're not the cheapest of the cheap, but they're also not the most expensive either. And I'm a firm believer in you get what you paid for. So we're going to open these up, see what type of quality they are, and see if they're worth what I paid for them. I believe I paid $40 for the Sawzall and paid $30 for the grinder. So it's $50 for the two. No, $60 for the two. $70 for the two. $70 for the two of them. So yeah, if you would, please like, subscribe, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. If you want to, hit the notification bell, let you know when new videos are coming out. And we'll get these open and we'll see what type of quality we got, how well they work. Alright, so the first one's first. I'll set this one aside. We're going to open the angle grinder. There's a 4.5 inch 115 millimeters, 6.5 amp. It's not the strongest. Let's see what else we got. Comes with the side handle with the built-in wrench storage. Ball bearing construction, die-cast metal housing, spindle lock button, tool-free adjustable guard, motor air vents, slim grip design. The first time I've ever bought a brand new angle grinder. I've had a couple I've gotten from yard sales, but first things first, got your owner's manual. We have a help card. These are new bushings, it looks like. Brushes. Well, that's neat. Alright, let's see what we get in the box here. We have the angle grinder. We have the handle, the tool, and it also came with a metal grinding wheel, which is nice. So it comes with everything and at least get you started. You don't even have to buy a grinding wheel. Looks like just flip this lever up, like so. You can rotate your guard any which way you want. So it makes it quick and easy and nice. Put your handle whatever way you want it. And it just slides in there and it locks in. Nice and sturdy. I don't know if I like that or not. We got little vents that you can literally pull out and clean for where it's usually if you're grinding some nasty stuff. I don't know if I really like that too much. It's on and it locks automatically. You hit the button again, shut it off. So it's either let's see. Guessing that's a lock to, yeah. Hold that and it locks that so you can tighten it and loosen it. Basically, you gotta hold this button back here. Push the button in, and feel a lock, it locks that in place. And you just take that and loosen it. Pull it off. Grinding wheel in there. Put your nut back on it. Hold your button on the back. Once it locks in, take your, give her a good snug. There you go. Move your guard in which way you want. Sorry, I'm just kind of looking at everything here. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll test her out. Alright, headphone users, beware. It's probably going to be loud. But let's see how she does. I wish it stopped a little faster, but not too shabby. It's loud, but it will get the job done. And you can always remove the guard too if it's in your way. You can swap the handle to the other side. So, I mean, for $30, not too bad. Actually, I like it. It's a little heavy. I mean, it weighs, let's see what it says here. 5.5 pounds, 5.6 pounds. Like I said, if you use an industrial on the job every day, maybe not. But for a garage, for every once in a while, works great. Now, durability wise, I have no idea. It feels like it's built good. It's got a build quality feel to it. So yeah, now let's get the Sawzall open and we'll see how that does. Like I said, I'm still not a big fan of the trigger. I like how it has a lock to where it stays on, but I also wish I could, have like a trigger to where when I let go, it shuts off. Also, I don't know how great the disc is, but you can buy other discs for it, any ones you want. Alright, now for the Sawzall. If you're liking this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. So, the Sawzall comes with the dual LED working light, pivoting shoe, toolless blade change, rubber overmold grip, variable speed. It's 9.5 amps at 120 volts, 60 hertz, 2,800 RPMs with no load. Inch and 18th stroke. Weighs 7 pounds. It's got a 10-foot power cord. And let's see what we get in the box. Well, right offhand, you got a wood blade. So, once again, Performax comes with ready to use. Got your Allen wrench. I'm not really sure what that's for, if it's toolless blade change. And once again, I mean, it feels pretty rugged. Like, it don't feel cheap. I wish this had a locking trigger, but it doesn't. The Allen wrenches, I'm guessing to be able to take this apart, maintenance it. Got your instruction booklet. Okay. So the Allen wrench is to, I guess you can adjust the pivot length. Can you see this? So, let's see what this does. It's on that one. It's on this one. Okay. See that? Loosen it. Pull it in or out. This gives you a longer throw. I don't know. Really the point of that would be, but let's tighten it back up. And by the way, this is not sponsored. These are just a couple tools I wanted in the garage that I didn't want to spend a lot of money on because they're not going to get used very often. Well, and it comes with the Velcro. Keep your cord tightened up. Alright. Headphone users beware. You got a light, if you guys see that. That's good. All right, let's get a blade in it. I'm gonna put a metal blade in it. Maybe. Alright, so we put a metal blade in it. Oh, I see, that would slide out to... Well, let's see what she does. Actually, it worked really nice. It's not really thick metal, but it's got a good, didn't bog it down at all. Cut right through it. Alright, so my first impressions on these cheaper Performax tools, they're not too bad. Like I said, they feel pretty heavy duty. Only time will tell on how they hold up. But for, I don't remember. For $40 for this, for $30 for this, I'm happy so far. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I paid for these my own money. I did a little bit of shopping around because I didn't want, I could find this for 10, 15 bucks. I can find this 10, 15 bucks. But I am a firm believer in you get what you paid for. I was not paying $150 for a super big name brand. So I went with something. Menards is pretty decent about taking them back. They both come with 2-year warranties. As much as I'm going to use them, they should hold up and they should last. So for 70 bucks, I feel like I got me a pretty decent angle grinder. Now, like I said, if you're using these all day, I would not want to use these. They're heavy. They're not light by any means. But they'll get the job done. And if it's something you're just going to use a couple times a year, why go out and spend tons of money for a big name brand that you're not going to hardly use? So that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. See, is there anything else I can think of? And that's about it. I'm happy with them so far. I'll keep you guys updated on how well they hold up. And thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment on if you guys have used any of these and what you think of this brand. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.